Shut your black ass up, boy. Do something if you really like that. Fuck you talking about?
Why you just that? Yo, I have a question.
Over your ass. Before you come to bed.
This is times Kai Cenat broke character. First up is when Kai Cenat and Agent were beefing, and this escalated fast.
You don't want to break the glass? Give me that nigga. Yeah, he want it down. Hit in the gym, he want it down. I'm with elbow.
Hey, bro, listen, bro.
We get shit up, nigga. I'm not gonna choke you out.
Hey, calm down, nigga.
Why you mad at me? Why you mad at me? Let me go! You bought me, nigga! Let me the fuck go! Before I get mad at this
Bro, y'all
let me the fuck go!
y'all stinking shit, bro. Y'all
Yo, he got 5 seconds before I blow this whole shit up. I'm blowing off. Who you burning up, nigga? Who you burning up, nigga? Who you burning up, nigga?
At this point, it's getting very intense, and it gets even worse from here.
3. You better not. Look that gun, nigga. Look that gun, nigga. This shit turned out.
You are. No, from back the fuck.
In this next one, Kai got in an argument with Speed and his brother, and it got really heated fast.
You're dead ass ass. Oh, you're dead ass ass.
It's all your fault.
I'm tired of it. My fault.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, you black. Fuck you. Hate you. I hate you. You black. I hate you. You used to be my favorite screamer. You. Yeah, I'm unstoppable.
So you mad cause you stink, and you're mad because he put you in a chokehold.
No, it's your fault that he put me in a choke. Oh, it's all your fault. It's all your fault. It's all your fault.
I got 4 words for y'all. Get off my.
We can tell Kai is genuinely mad, but he starts fully crashing out at the end.
How you got me after everything I just did for your ass? Huh? I did everything I've been doing to your fucking ass. You fucking crazy? I'm gonna what's walking hate me? I done got win after win on this Fortnite shit. I'm here on day with y'all 2 dumb ass. I can't see my family. You got your brother. You got your brother. The fuck you want me to do? Cut the bull. I don't want to end that crying shit no more. Yo ass need to take a shower. You don't got me to bring my helmet.
Now in this next one, Kai got really mad at Rakai and fully crashed out after he caught him. He was under the influence of weed.
So over your ass. Before you come to bed. Before you come to bed. Before you come to bed, you beating your shit. Before you go to fucking bed, you beating your shit. In the house, in this motherfucking house.
Next up in this clip, Kai got so mad that it got to the point him kicking his friend out of the room.
That's what, bro, I ain't gonna lie. That can make out of like a 3D printer and shit, low-key unstoppable. Think about it. Them niggas can make anything, gang. Just saying, bro.
Could they make your dad come back in your life though? Only God can do that. Only God can.
Get out.
Bro, I just. Oh my God, bro, I just got in here.
Here we have Kai and Ray, where Ray destroyed Kai's bed and he really broke character.
Hey, I think he almost got all this pop. You pop, bro. I did pop it. I did pop it. This nigga, I did pop my fucking. Pop it. You pop my. What the f is wrong? You look like that, boy. Nah, bro. You don't think I never. Stop! Fucking dumbass! You come in here, pop my furniture like you live here or some.
Next one is XQC reacting to Kai Cenat calling him out after they got in an argument.
XQC, bro. I don't know why lately you turned into this like person that's just like
every once in a while, I see a new clip of you just talking shit about me, and I'm like, damn, are you dead? Like,
What? Have I been done shit?
then you gonna say, oh my God, he only does this, he don't do nothing this, he cry for subs.
Hey!
Damn, I done switch it up in so many, like, we could do whatever you want. I done switch it up to international. I done went international overseas. IRL. I done did gaming, and you was on my dick while I was gaming Elden Ring. You was in my chat, offering me $25,000 for each boss that I fought. Every time you came back in, let's not even bring it up. No, let's bring up the facts, gang. Glaze me, cause niggas talk shit and don't remember what the f they be doing. You was just on my dick. Wait. You was just on my dick. Gang, you was offering $50,000 to $25,000 to $50,000 for every boss I fought. What are you talking about? Please, cause we can do whatever you want to do. Watch for watch, house for house.
Oh no. Brother, you do not do, brother. Come on. You did not want to go band for band. We're not going there.
House M for M, I'm with it. You can't do that with me. So don't try to do some, no. I'll fill up my whole arm. And I'm very humble, gang. You feel me? Like, I hate when niggas do that, gang. It's like, bro, I be too, even my people around me be telling me.
Both hands in the air. Brother, I got AMP's entire net worth on a one USB stick in some safety deposit box somewhere, okay, buddy? We're not gonna go there.
Here, Kai got mad at Rockeye once again, and he wanted to give him an advice.
Alright, so you trying to be cool? You wanna be cool with the smoking niggas? You wanna smoke with the smoking niggas, right? Right? You wanna smoke with the smoking niggas, right? You wanna be cool, you just turned 16, oh, I'm going ass man on my baby, keep talking about your baby and shit. But you wanna be smoking with the older niggas, right? What you wanna smoke for? Cause it look cool, be honest. Look like shade, no shade. Look cool as fuck. Look cool as fuck. I know. And go ahead.
And honestly,
yeah.
you know, in high school, everybody like
smoke. Everybody start wilding. Yeah.
So I'm like, know what? Frick it.
Yo, some YOLO shit. I understand you.
I
That's how I used to be too. On some YOLO shit. But I just never did it. Cause wanna know why? Cause growing up, I done seen kids in my school that was the top hoop athletes. They f***ed up by starting off smoking, bro. They started smoking a little bit and shit went downhill and they couldn't do what they want to do.
In this next one, Duke also broke Kai's bed and he got really mad.
Let's go! Go on, Chad! Anthony Davis with the 100. Yo, get up my bed!
Hold on, no.
Yo! No. You just broke my bed. Yo! Mark, come on, Mark.
I swear I didn't mean to do that, though. I swear to God. I swear. Hold on. I'm finna.
Oh, can you fix that shit, bro?
Hold on, look.
Come on, Mark. That's TP bag.
In this one, Kai and Speed were live together when Kai accidentally leaked their Minecraft server and they got in a bad fight.
The IPs, both of our streams up.
You literally leaked it. You literally leaked it this morning.
On
The fuck you talk? On me too, on accident too. What the fuck?
It was a mistake on you. You could have said, close that, bro.
What's the mistake?
Hey,
What's
close
the
that.
mistake?
Close that.
What's the mistake?
Close the window.
What's the mistake?
Close the window. You didn't close the window.
What was the mistake?
You didn't close
So
the
what was it? Accident, right?
You closed the window. Close the
up, bitch.
I'm a real Hey, check,
You would see crazy.
Hey, what's
I
up?
would show you crazy.
Bro, stop.
You talking about, bro?
playing with me,
Back the up, bro.
Stop playing with
Back the
me.
up, little.
Stop playing
Back
with
the
me.
up, boy.
Stop
Back
playing
the
with me.
ain't nobody scared you.
Stop playing with me.
Stop spit in my face.
Stop playing with me.
Stop spit in my face. And your breath smell like and your breath smell like boy. And your hair dirty as nigga, you dirty as and your breath stink. It's your fucking feet. Look at you. You think anybody wants to be here? Nobody want to be here with you. You fucking crazy, bitch. Is you crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Shut your black ass up, boy. Do something if you really like that. Fuck you talking about?
Do something with that. Your breath smell like shit. Do something with that, G.
I done been here for 66 hours. I don't make this motherfucker. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm
I don't
ready.
give a fuck, bitch.
I'm ready.
What you talking about?
I'm ready for
you wanna see
anything,
crazy?
bruh.
I'm fucking crazy.
I'm crazy.
I'm crazy.
I'm
nigga.
crazy.
I swear to God, I'm crazy.
Stop playing
What the fuck you talking about?
You see that?
Oh, your big head. Your big head.
That's all head.
Your big ass
I'm not
head.
even using my strength.
Your big ass head.
That's all head on you.
Oh, you a little.
All head
You a
on you.
little.
All head on
You
you.
a little. You a little.
Okay. Let me get lower. Let me start using my legs then.
Let me start using my legs then.
I might be using my arm. It's all leg. Look at you.
Watch out, bitch.
All leg right there, G.
Watch out.
All leg.
Watch out,
bitch.
Watch out, bitch.
Who rushing me?
Watch out.
All right. Watch out. Chill. Chill, Kai. I promise you.
There you go,
Kai. Chill. I swear, Kai. Kai. Kai, chill. Chill, Kai. Chill, Kai. I promise you. Chill. See? Just chill. Just chill. Just chill. You can't do it. You can't do it to me, Kai. You can't do it to me, Kai. Just stop. Watch your stop.
Watch your ass.
Stop.
Get your
Stop.
I'm not mad.
Stop. Stop.
I'm mad.
Stop. You doing?
Stop playing with me, bro.
Just stop. You can't
Stop
do
playing
nothing
with me, bro.
to me.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Next up, Kai came to confront Ray after Ray kept embarrassing him while he was in front of the girls.
Chat, faster now. Ray is wilding tonight. Right? He's wilding, bro. Where my ones? What you want to do? Wrestle? What you want to do? Wrestle? Slap box? What you want to do?
You see? That's a LeBron.
What you want to do, bro? Nah, because I feel like you trying me, bro. Stop doing that every time you in front of girls, bro. You always do something. What are you doing?
What are you doing, bro? What's up, bro?
Why are you laughing?
What's up, bro?
What up?
What's up, bro?
What you want to do?
What's up, bro?
What you want to do?
What you wanna do?
What you want to see, you trying to kiss me. You're trying to kiss
trying
me.
to kiss me.
What do you want to do?
What you want to do?
Do we have a problem? Yes
What
or
you
no?
wanna do?
Do we have a problem? Do we have a problem?
You sure?
Do we have a problem? Do we have a problem?
No.
Alright, so when we get around them, stop doing what you be doing, bro.
I bet.
She was trying to sing me a song.
Who?
The girl.
That's Chris girl. You taking another people's. You taking your man's. You're our man's, bro. I may do some our man's.
Okay, I got a question.
have to stop
okay,
that.
I got a question.
Because you need
Okay, I got a
someone
question.
else.
I got a
There's
question.
so many.
Okay.
Why you choose that?
Yo, I have a question.
I bet.
Why do you think I was trying to take his? Cause I didn't flirt with her not one time. I said she said she could sing. I said sing me the song. I didn't flirt with her.
Oh, that's it?
That's all I did.
That's me you flirting with.
No, that just mean I'm highly on your UAV. Do I oppose you as a threat when it comes to these huts? I'm not flirting with nobody.
If you don't hurt, you want just like, oh, you want to sing? I bet.
That's what I was doing.
No, you take it to your pencil and then you're gonna.
Because it was too loud.
That's what you're gonna do.
Nah, Ray, I don't know what's getting into you, bro.
Oh.
Like, you becoming an L-mans, bro, the whole day. And I'm always going like this for you for a girl.
Oh, my bad, bro.
So now every time I see you on somebody, I'm gonna block. That's it. We can play world.
I bet. Go block.
I bet.
I bet you want.
I don't give a